Hello friends and welcome back to the TechLegend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Manil GeForce RTX 40 Stellar graphics card. So friend, Manil's new GPU comes with two models, the RTX 4070 Super and RTX 4060 Ti 8GB. While not a wide-known brand, Manil is available in select market across Asia and some European countries. So friend, less popular green military theme design which are difficult to match with many PC cases instant. They opted for more subtle color scheme including black, silver and white models, and new Stellar series is exclusive to Chinese market and feature a French white design with the streaking teal and purple S-shaped strip across the card, and both the RTX 4070 Super and 4060 Ti 8GB share the same cooling setup, 390mm fan, custom heatsink, and two large aluminum fin array with 6 heat pipe, and this cooler operate at 30 to 45 dB for relatively quiet performance, and both card comes factory overclocked. The RTX 4070 Super running at 2520 MHz and RTX 4060 Ti at 2580 MHz, and both cards with 16-pin power connector, and both the datasheet claim the 4060 Ti is using 8-pin power connector. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.